In this video we are going to talk about install these money-making apps and earn money. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. If you don't have the finest money-making applications on your phone right now, you're missing out on a lot of money. This post examines some of the greatest ones available, which you can begin using right now to generate money online. When it comes to the apps that we all download and use, I'm always curious why individuals install apps that don't make them money when there are others that do. While money-saving apps are beneficial, why waste time with apps that do not generate revenue? Survey Junkie. This is, without a question, the best money-making program available today on the internet. Users can earn money by participating in online surveys and other activities. Some of the reasons why Survey Junkie is one of the top money-making apps available include: joining is absolutely free. You don't have to spend anything to join, and you can start making money right away. All of the surveys can be completed in your own time and from any place, allowing you to complete only the surveys you want, when you want. You don't have to wait until you've made a lot of money to cash out. When you have earned at least $10, you can cash out. You may have heard of Swagbucks, and for good reason. It is the second best money-making program and app available. Simply download it and begin using it to earn as many Swagbucks, s.b.'s, as possible by performing basic tasks. Here are a few examples of easy activities. Using your phone to conduct web searches, you can shop for items you want to buy online. Taking legal paid internet surveys from companies or goods that are relevant to you. Playing games on your phone while watching movies for entertainment or information. Swagbucks is a legitimate money-making app for those who download it and use it to view videos or play games on their phones. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is another reputable and well-known get paid to or GPT money-making program. You may get paid for doing things like reading emails, shopping online, watching movies, playing games, doing surveys, and even completing offers using this app. You are paid in cash for each work you do, and once you hit the $30 minimum barrier, you will be paid via check. You can also earn money by registering for free and referring friends. It's one of the few money-making apps that really pays you to sign up. Yes, you will receive a $5 incentive simply for signing up. And don't worry, signing up is entirely free. Vindale Research. You may download and start earning money with this popular and well-paying survey software. One of the major differences between this survey app and many others is that you can earn up to $100 per survey. That's enormous. Of course, not every survey pays as well, but you'll never know unless you join up and try, right? Another significant distinction between Vindale Research and other survey systems and apps is that you can keep some of the items you review. It's also one of the greatest apps for reviewers who want to get paid for their work. Yes, you are compensated for your evaluation, plus you also get to keep some of the things, allowing you to earn a lot more value for your time. How cool is that? Yes, signing up and using this app is also entirely free. MyPoints is another well-known and reliable survey tool that you can download and use to start earning money. It rewards you for engaging in a variety of online activities, many of which you are undoubtedly already doing. We're talking about things you do every day, like, you're going through your emails, watching videos on your phone or on the internet, playing games on your phone or online, shopping on the internet, etc. As you can see, many of the activities they pay you for are actually enjoyable activities that you would perform otherwise. That's why it's one of the finest ways for kids to get money online. They get paid while having fun. To demonstrate how trustworthy their app is, they have already paid out over $236 million to over 10 million users. And, in case you're wondering whether they can be trusted, they've been there since 1996. They may be trusted because they have been in business since 1996 and have paid out over $236 million to over 10 million subscribers. Yes, signing up for this app and utilizing it is also entirely free. This is yet another app where you can sign up, install, and begin earning money. Members are compensated for merely sharing their views and comments, as well as for testing common products. Using apps like this and getting paid could be one of the best professions for introverts who want to work from home. Kalyana is a well-known company that has paid out millions of dollars to its subscribers all around the world. They now have over 8 million members worldwide, including many from Europe. As a result, they are one of the few survey apps that pay members from Europe, including Sweden, Denmark, the Netherlands, and, of course, the United Kingdom. They also accept Australian members. Global Test Market. Global Test Market, as its name says, accepts members from all over the world, unlike many other sites that only accept members from the United States and Canada. They pay you to share your views and opinions about specific items or services, as well as general everyday issues, just like other survey apps. If you're wondering if they truly pay, the answer is yes. In fact, in just 1 year, they paid out more than $32 million to their subscribers. Yes, you read that correctly, $32 million paid to members in just 1 year demonstrates that they are serious about paying. They are also absolutely free to register and start earning with, just like the other survey apps. Pinecone Research. Another reliable and well-known survey app is Pinecone Research. You are compensated for completing surveys and product testing. The data or information you provide is used to influence Pinecone Research's clients' goods and services. You can be compensated for completing both short and extensive surveys, which can take up to 5 or 20 minutes. For completing each survey or evaluating products, Pinecone Research will give you points. You will be paid $1 for every 100 points you achieve. To pay out, you must have at least 300 points or $3. You can be compensated with PayPal or cash out using Amazon and other major shops' gift cards, such as Walmart, Starbucks, and iTunes. It's worth noting that your initial check will be posted to your address, and subsequent cash withdrawals will be routed to any of the payment alternatives you select. iSay is another excellent online reward community where you can express yourself and be rewarded for it. They do pay and have paid a number of people for really simple online actions. You will be able to express your opinions on worldwide brands, advertisements, entertainment, and other issues. Your feedback will be utilized to shape a product's or brand's future. You may earn points by completing surveys and giving your opinion using the iSay app. You can earn anything from 1 cent to $1 every survey. The points can be exchanged for cash or gift cards from Amazon and other retailers. With iSay, 100 points equals about $1. You can use PayPal to cash out your prizes. A $15 PayPal payment equals 1,530 points. A $20 gift card or Visa prepaid card is worth 2,000 points. iConsumer is a global network of over 400,000 people who are paid to try out new products, ideas, and websites. They now have an app that pays you to take a picture of a product you're using and give feedback on it. For example, you might take images of the meal you eat and send them to the producer as feedback. You can also record recordings of an app, website, or product you're testing with this app. You record what you say or do while testing in the videos. Manufacturers use your comments to improve their products. Any accepted test will pay you anywhere from $1 to $10. PayPal is used to make payments. Both iOS and Android smartphones can use the iConsumer app. Another program that allows you to generate money and get free gift cards to use online, as well as receive prizes for testing, is Feature Points. By using this app to try out and test other apps, you can earn points. You gain points for each app you try. Your points can be redeemed for PayPal cash, paid apps, free Xbox gift cards, and even general iTunes, Amazon, and Starbucks gift cards. You can also earn more by referring friends. It is compatible with Android and iOS devices. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.